Today it's Saturday, September 7, 2024. Let's make one small update to inform the owner of the Golf. CDL engine code. Yes, I'm right on that. One small update regarding the balance shafts and the oil pump. What I did, like what I'm doing all the time, I wash first all the unit, alright? It's been decreased, it does have an oil anywhere, it does have a burnt oil anywhere, alright? And I took it apart. Not the balance shafts, not the gears, all the rest. Alright? Now, what's my concern? Let's start with what it's healthy, alright? The balance shafts, they are healthy, they are beautiful. Even without lubrication, because I put also brake cleaner on the oil galleries and I blow with air to come the brake cleaner out and to be completely dry, and then I have to do that again. I have to put it in an oven there. I have to raise the temperature 67 degrees Celsius, and then I have to put an oil inside, and because you're gonna warm up also the oil, and with a combination with the air pressure, you're gonna give some lubrication to the shafts while you're spinning it. I want to have the oil galleries some oil inside to don't be completely dry, even with the cancellation. It's not bad to have some oil inside. Forget about that. Let's go to the point, right? Yeah. Nothing wrong with the balance shafts. There is no extra wear on the shafts. The unit, it's beautiful. Then, the most important thing, it's the housing here inside where it's running the pump, the shaft of the pump, all right? The surface here, okay? Then this surface here, and where it's running here inside the front shaft of the pump. You see that it has wear one side. This is normal, classic in all of them. One way you have more wear, and the other way it's like brand new, okay? That's normal. You cannot change that. Not at least on this type of pump as it is, or the design, all right? What's my concern? Back over here, you see some scoring, but it's not deep. I mean, you cannot feel it with your fingernail, all right? Don't worry about that. And it does look like that it grab any piece and it compromise the housing, okay? I'm talking about this surface here, all around, not inside. Now, I don't have any problem with the pump itself, all right? It's fine, even the housing all around, it's beautiful. You don't see scoring anywhere. You don't see these kind of things. You don't see, let us say, shiny from one spot and from that side to have a scoring, all right? To be a little bit, this is minimum, it's not that much. How am I gonna do it with one hand now? Dang it. Yeah, no, I'm gonna try my best. Now, if you put the shaft dry on the front one, all right, there is a play, but it's very minimum, and it's not. You remember when was the wear, right? So if you go like how you're watching now, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, all right? If you go like this, it has a little bit play, and from this side does have almost nothing play, all right? That means from one side it has a little bit more, from the other side it has almost nothing. The front one, it's okay, it's good. It's not, there is no problem for the front one, all right? The rear one, if I put it inside, where am I? Where I'm pointing? And you try to make it, what's this? You have this, and left and right it's less, up and down it's a little bit more. It's not 100%, that's my point, all right? But it's gonna work fine. That's the other point. But it's not 100%. I'm gonna call it 60 to 70% healthy. All right, for the wear, what I see. Is the reason to replace it in a bone stock application? No, definitely no. For sure not. If it was a bone stock the car, this pump will gonna last much long. But if you're planning to rev it 8,000, 8,500 RPMs and it's fully modified, and you're stressing the oil pump, you're gonna have more wear, obviously. I mean, like I'm saying all the time, when you have a wear somewhere, it always going bad, it goes worse. It cannot get fixed by itself. Make sense? All right? That's my point. Again, it's not my call. I mean, the ideal gonna be to cancel this unit and to put a single pump, all right? And to don't have a cancellation, to don't have nothing, to have only one chain with one dedicated pump, brand new pump, and everybody happy. But once again, that's not my call. I'm just analyzing, I'm explaining what I have in front of me, and I'm giving my opinion, all right? Then, we have the pressure relief valve here. We have two actually, there are two valves. One is, just a second. One second. One is located here. You see this ball here inside and the spring and the cap here. All right. And let me turn it again. And you have also this valve. This valve is to supply an oil pressure. Yeah, okay. Never mind. What's my concern with this valve? See that it comes out, the flakes that coming out. You see that? I don't think so it's gonna be anodized. It's supposed to be coated, but you see that it has these things, and if you mess with that, it comes out. See, it's already out and has some scoring here. I think that there is upgrade one. If I remember right, there is upgrade valve you can put inside with a more hard spring. So it makes sense to change the valve, at least, to don't keep this valve, right? That's what, yeah, 1 second. All right, because I have to go outside. What's my point? My point is, okay, we're gonna put, let us say again, the cancellation as it was, as an example, one scenario. It's a good thing to get the aftermarket valve to put it here inside, and I think it comes with a spring, if I remember right, or it comes only the valve. I don't remember exactly. I have to search it. I have to search about it. One case, we put the upgrade valve, we close by again, lubrication oil inside to be nice and healthy, wrapping it with nylon, standing by until it comes the time. The other case, we get a single pump, brand new, put it on, call it a day, everybody happy. Now, the gear, I saw you that before. The O-ring for the oil pickup tube, we have to put a new one, not reuse the old one. They have reused the old one before. It looks okay, but you don't want to gamble for one stupid O-ring, all right? Pickup tube, it's fine. I cleaned in and out, lovely, no problem whatsoever. So this one small update, because I'm still waiting the puller for the cam gear. At least maybe the owner, he'll gonna order the single pump. Maybe the owner, he'll gonna order the check valve, the valve that goes inside here, the upgrade one, or whatever. He has a time at least. Or maybe we're gonna close back as it was everything and finish the story. All right, that's the point. I forget. Yeah, definitely I forget some things, like here inside. You see? Yeah. I can tilt it sideways with the brake linear can go away. Also this one here. I mean, on how it was before and how it is now, it's much better, I believe. It looks, here, it's decent, right? It's not that bad. Yeah, and again, once again, if I end up using again this unit, I will gonna make sure to be everywhere, to have oil everywhere. Because again, when you pass a brake cleaner and you remove all the oil on the first start until it builds up some pressure, it's not good, the stainless steel shaft to spin on an aluminum housing dry. It's not the ideal. Okay, that's why I said that I'm gonna warm up the pump, I'm gonna pressurize some oil inside, spin it at the same time to go everywhere, even if the balancers are not spinning. It doesn't matter. If it was safe to unpress the gears, trust me, I'm gonna do it. But it's not safe. It's not. I mean, without hurting the housing, I don't know how I'm gonna be able to unpress the gears. To press it back again in, yes, you're gonna find a way. You're gonna fix a holder, something, to press it inside, or you're gonna warm it up, and you're gonna come inside. To take it out, yeah. I mean, you have 1, 2, 3. How you're gonna press it out? How you're gonna pull it out without destroying the housing? And it does need, no need even. I mean, the other side, cut it in half, cut in the middle, let us say, cut it here, and keep the bolts, the front one, and block whatever oil gallery has. Everybody happy? Yeah. That's it. Over and out. Small update, 10 minutes. Yeah, go figure out. Regarding the oil pump assembly, the balance shafts assembly, I don't know how it's called, the unit, to be honest. Thank you very much. Over and out.